Freecash VIP tiers are designed for users who complete more activities on the platform, but the value depends on how often you actually use Freecash. By the end, you'll know what the Freecash VIP system offers, who benefits from it, and when it may not be worth focusing on. The Freecash VIP program rewards active users based on their platform activity. Higher VIP levels can provide access to additional benefits compared with regular accounts. The main question is whether those benefits match your usage. If you only complete offers occasionally, the VIP system may not make a noticeable difference. If you use Freecash regularly, reaching higher VIP levels can provide more value because you are already spending more time completing available activities. To check your current VIP status, open your Freecash account and look for the VIP section. This shows your current level and available progress information. The best way to decide if VIP is worth it is to compare the benefits you receive with the amount of time you spend earning on the platform. Do not complete activities only to chase a VIP level. Your main focus should be whether the offers you complete are worth your time. Before trying to increase your VIP level, review the rewards and features available at your current level. This helps you understand what changes when you move higher. Freecash users should also remember that availability can depend on account status, location, and platform updates. Features shown for one user may not always appear the same for another account. If you are already using Freecash often, checking your VIP progress makes sense because you can see whether the extra benefits match your activity. If you rarely use Freecash, focus first on completing quality offers and understanding how the platform works before worrying about VIP status. The main points are simple. Freecash VIP is mainly useful for active users. Your account dashboard shows your current status, and the value depends on whether the benefits justify your time. Open Freecash and check your VIP section to see what benefits are available for your account before deciding whether to focus on reaching the next level. Subscribe for more Freecash guides, earning app comparisons, and troubleshooting videos. And like the video if this helped you understand the VIP system.